Good evening guys. So nandito po tayo guys sa Danao City guys. Oh. Time check 6 PM na guys. Bago pa alas 6 ng gabi. So madadaanan natin guys yung pinag-live ni Elias GTV band. Malapit-lapit na tayo guys. After ng Danao City District Hospital. Bababain natin guys ha. Makita nyo guys. Traffic. Bababain natin ng 2 minutes. Traffic man. Traffic. Alas 6 na ng gabi guys. Papauwi na kami sa office guys. Cebu Provincial Hospital ng Danao City. Tapos yan yung Sons. Tapos may metro doon guys. Metro Danao. Tapos Jollibee. Tapos yung church nila guys. Ayan ang tagal niyang church na yan guys. Kapanahonan pa na ng hapon yan guys. Pareho sa Katmon. Ayan ganda na yung church. See? Tapos yan na guys, yan yung lugar na pinag-livean ni Elias GTV band. Elias. Si Idol Elias. Yan guys, Port Danao to guys. Tapos meron silang Danao City Tourism Center dyan before kayo papasok sa sa pinag-livean ni Elias dyan guys. So ayan guys, McDonald's. Ayan na guys.
Alas 8
Thank you for watching guys.